Hello, welcome to your update from the Met Office for Scotland on this New Year's Eve. It looks like it could be quite a blustery Hogmanay, some gusty winds around, particularly so across Shetland. Reasonably mild through the rest of today, but there is a bit of rain around, particularly over the Highlands. The Western Highlands fairly soggy, damp and drizzly over the Northern Isles, where the winds are really starting to pick up now. Gusty winds too elsewhere across the mainland, particularly so in the east, where we do have some sunshine and temperatures in some spots climbing into the teens. Now, as we go through the evening, we will start to see that rain slipping south, fizzling out as it does so, but nevertheless it could be a bit damp in the Glasgow areas. We stop it there at 9 o'clock this evening, maybe some rain towards Edinburgh too, and it will be getting quite blustery here. The strongest winds though definitely across Shetland, really picking up through the evening. Gusts overnight of 60, maybe 70 miles an hour could cause some disruption, so we do have a yellow warning in force across Shetland. Let's run through to midnight. That rain may well by that stage be clearing away from the central belt. Touch and go as to whether it's gone by midnight. It'll still be fairly damp across the far south, but elsewhere we'll see clearer skies. Staying pretty blustery though, with more showers to come across the northeast. That rain finally scoots away from the southwest as we go into New Year's Day, and temperatures will drop away down to 1 or 2 degrees in a few places, more likely 4 or 5 in the towns and cities across the south. But it'll feel cold if you're out because of the strength of that wind, which will only slowly ease on New Year's Day, bringing showers across Caithness, Sutherland, Orkney, Shetland, turning to snow across Shetland later in the day. 1 or 2 showers for Aberdeenshire as well, but elsewhere across the mainland it's largely dry and sunny, but it will feel quite a bit colder than recent days, particularly with that wind across the northeast. We might get up to 6, 7, possibly 8 Celsius, but generally 5 or 6 degrees. And as I said, despite some sunshine, that wind will make it feel really quite chilly. And temperatures will drop quite sharply on New Year's Day night as well. We'll go into Wednesday with a frost and potentially some fog around as well. And that will be a feature of the weather really for the rest of this week. It's going to be on the cold side. Still a risk of a few showers and a bit more cloud across the northeast, but generally dry and bright on Wednesday. But we will start off with a frost and temperatures really struggling, particularly if any fog sticks around. And further frosts likely through the rest of this week. And if you're heading further afield, across anywhere through the UK, you can get a full UK forecast on the Met Office website or through our YouTube channels.